how to create SafePal account. Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll be learning how you can create SafePal account. So let's get right into it. The first step is to launch the SafePal application, and then after launching it you'll be brought to this page automatically. Now you must ensure that before you can launch the app you must have downloaded the app, right? So ensure you download the application, then launch the application, and then after that you'll be brought to this page. So once you're on this page, the next step is to move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see I've read and accepted the term of use. So click on it and then click on get started. And so you'll be brought to your next page where you'll be asked to create a security password. Alright. So ensure you create something that you can remember easily. So if you want to make use of an hybrid password that is text and numbers, you can just click on use a hybrid password. But if you want to stick to numbers alone, just ensure you make use of that. And then click on the box and then go ahead and type out the numbers that you would like to use. All right, and then confirm the number. And so you'll be asked to set a fingerprint, so ensure you use a fingerprint for this particular stage. After including your fingerprint, you can see a congratulation message will be sent to you, or you would see a congratulation message, and then you see important tips. Ensure you read through this, then move to the bottom part of the screen and click on start SafePal journey, and then here you'll be asked to add a wallet. And by moving to the bottom part of the screen, you can see your market. Then you can also see explore, swipe, and the different tabs available. So on this page you'll be asked to add a wallet to start your crypto journey. So do you want to create or import a software wallet, or do you want to pair it with your hardware wallet? So for me, I would select software wallet, and so the next step would be for you to click on create a new wallet, or you can decide to import a wallet if you have any before. For me, I'll just click on create a new wallet, and then to do that you would have to enter in your security code, and the next step is for you to set a name for your wallet. So for me, I'll be making use of this name, and then once you're done, click on continue, and then your wallet will be created. So after your wallet has been created, the next stage will be for you to back up your mnemonic phrase. This is because your mnemonic phrase is what will be used if you forget, if you misplace or you lose your wallet. All right. So you can decide to back it up by clicking on back up the file on your Google Drive, and then you'll be able to set a password to that. So you can just go ahead and set up a password, and that's to back this up. All right, and so ensure you confirm the password as well, and once you're done, click on next, and then tick all of these boxes, then click on start backup, and then your mnemonic phrase will be backed up. And then once that is done, you'll be taken to your account page. So you'll be asked to select an account that you want to back the mnemonic phrase up to. Ensure you select the account, then wait for the page to load. And once the backup process is done, you'll see the option start using wallet. So just click on that, and then your account has been created successfully. So this is how you can create an account on SafePal. The next step would be for you to start buying and selling, adding more coins to your wallet. So thank you for watching and have a good day.